Thanks for joining us on this edition of Renovation Time. We're in this beautifully renovated bathroom, and what can I say other than it's perfect. It's got everything that a lot of people are looking for now, and colors and variations. But the floor, we'll start with that. So it's a 24 by 24 inch tiled floor with a very small grout line, and it's almost like a pebbly effect, and it's got all kinds of different colors in there, which is very, very nice. And you can pick up, like, there's some color in here which is perfect, and it actually picks up this beautiful wall tile that's in behind the vanity. So as you can see, you have this amazing wall tile, and instead of the tile being vertical like a subway tile, it's ran vertically. Then these two nice mirrors on either side, wall mount faucets, which again just gives you a little bit more counter space, which is quite nice. A wall mount vanity, again, lots of storage in here, his and hers, but you also have lots of room underneath it. This is a style, very crisp and clean quartz countertop. Again, just nice and clean, white, blends in perfectly. The other thing too, outlets on either side. So you want a GFI plug and a GFI plug. So you have his and hers as opposed to just having one and having cords across the vanity top. And then again, just simple. This is a U-shape cutout for the sink. In the drawer, you pull the drawer out, you can put all your stuff in your side, his side, her side, whatever. It works out really well for most people. And then just crisp and clean paint. So you can see here too, it's just a nice light paint on the walls. We have a skylight in here, which is amazing for natural sunlight, but we also did put a bunch of pots in here. So very bright, very spacious bathroom, and I'm sure they'll enjoy it for years to come.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.